Hello YouTube. I am having difficulties with this pardon me, with this Vivitar 360. The camera's awesome. It's trying to edit the videos. I have 360 software that I can edit with, but I'm having a hard time getting the videos back into a proper format that they play normal, like the first one that I put up. The first one was unedited whatsoever. So right now I'm having a little bit of trouble. So I figured what I'm going to do, and if you're getting feedback from the fans, I apologize for that. That's one thing that I'm checking into. Also, this is a test for that. But I'm just going to put this test up. I'm going to edit this real quick. I'm going to export it, and I'm going to see if I can get it right, and I'm going to put it up there. I will not be able to do any intros or outros because in order to blow them up a 360 degree, you can't even make out what the intro and outro is. So it's going to be plain Jane videos, but with a little bit of edit, so that way you can't see my mistakes, quite frankly. Alright, I'm going to try this one out, and I'll talk to y'all later. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please do. I know I'm starting to sound like a broken record, ain't I? If you like the videos, give us a thumbs up. If you have anything that you want to contribute, go ahead and put it in the comments. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified every single time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.